Hey everyone, this video is going to look at the weekly folders that you're going to encounter within the course. So the first one that's open for you is going to be week 1. It technically starts on September 24th, but I want you to be aware that it is going to be open a week early. So if you want, you can actually get a head start on some of this and actually build a cushion, especially if you know if your schedule is going to be really crazy, or if just in case you want to build a cushion just in case something comes up like a family emergency or something like that, so this way you won't fall behind on the material. But once you click into the folder, I want you to be aware of a few things. Some of the things that we're going to have here, we'll have our week 1 forum, so this is where you can link certain homework problems so that you can ask either myself or some of the other students for help. And actually I'm going to put this in instructor mode so you can see everything, and all of this will be available to you when everything is officially open. So this week we have section 1.1 through 1.3. When you click into them, you'll notice that you do have a link to the textbook for that particular section. Please make sure that you do take the time to read through that section, maybe take some notes down. You can also go ahead and access some supplementary videos, so I would recommend that you look into those. You can click the little plus sign and you can actually view the videos directly through WAMAP, or you can click the link and it will take you to YouTube. From there, once you're done completing, oh, and before I forget, sorry, your homework will also be in here as well. Once you are done with those things, you do have 2 assignments that will be due at the end of the week. So there will be a week 1 quiz that will be focused on sections 1.1 through 1.3, and then you'll also have a show your work assignment. And with this particular show your work assignment, you only have 1 question, and what you're going to want to do is you want to take a picture of your work or scan it, and you're going to want to upload it by clicking on choose file and finding that information for yourself. One other final note here is when you're ready to take the week 1 quiz, please make sure that when you sit down to take it, that you sit down to take it all the way through. Once you click onto the link, a timer starts a countdown in order to allow you the time to complete the quiz. It cannot be paused, it cannot be stopped. So please make sure that before you click this link that you are ready to take the quiz. All right, I hope this brief orientation was helpful.